Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Anita Alejo. I'm 42 years old. I have two children, ages 17 and 16 years old. I am a college graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong again because I want to earn money for the future of my son.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, sir. I worked in Dubai before for 8 years in one employer and also 4 years and 3 months in Hong Kong for two employers.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
I always do working household chores. I do cleaning, cooking, do marketing, and ironing, hand washing the clothes.
Did you take care of baby, child, or an elderly?
I taking care of child in Dubai and elderly in Hong Kong.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I taking care of the children through feeding them and giving them medicine and bring them in the school and Hong Kong I taking care of the elderly. I bring him in hospital and give her also medicine. I remind her medicine.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills, I can do my work by myself and I do cooking, cleaning and household chores.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Um, Being loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am, sir. If you choose me, I do my best to work my own. I can do work alone, and I am trustworthy and I'm hardworking helper. Thank you, ma'am, and good day. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.